What's the meaning of cockney? Cockney. Cockney.
Cockney. Cockney. Cockney refers to a person from the East End of London, England, and is also used to describe the distinctive accent associated with that area. It is characterized by its use of rhyming slang, where a phrase is substituted for a word, such as apples and pears for stairs. The term has a long history and is often associated with working-class culture. Today, the Cockney accent has become more widespread throughout Greater London and is considered a quintessential part of the city's identity.